Once you've gathered all the information that you need for your website, you'll want to log into your Google Sites account and then again open up the website that you've created. Should be your last name underscore and your location. I'm going to be looking at Montserrat. So here's my basic page. In order to edit the page, you simply click on the Edit Page. This will provide a title here, and I'm going to retitle this so that it has its own title, and then when I save it, it will reappear in this menu on the sidebar as Montserrat. Now I'll need to include some text in here. Most of you have already created text in a text document, so you'll need to go ahead and open that document. Here's my narrative for the Tectonic Tour. I'm going to simply copy it. Go ahead back into my site. I'm going to click into the well and then I'm going to paste it. From here you can certainly change the font, you can highlight things, do whatever you would like to do. I have two images that I want to appear side by side. So in order to do that, I'm going to insert a table, and up here you can see it's inserting a 2 by 1 table, which gives me 2 cells, 1 row. So I'm going to make it the width, and then I'll go ahead and I will center this up. The other thing that you might want to do is now I'm going to insert the pictures. Click Insert, Picasa Photo. You'll need to upload the photos that you have selected and saved in your My Documents. Simply go into the folder. As you can see, I'm already in My Documents in my Science folder, and I chose this Montserrat map. I want to put this one in, so I'm going to go ahead and upload that. It will automatically insert it. Notice how it didn't put it where I want it. Simply grab it, drag it, and drop it to the location where you would like it. Again, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to insert the other photo that I wanted. Again, I'm going to go to Upload, Browse, and I wanted the eruption picture. And then simply click Upload. It will upload the image and automatically insert it. Again, it put it at the very top. That was not where I wanted it, so I'm going to have to drag it part way down, and then I can drag it all the way down. Notice how this picture doesn't quite fit the way I want it to fit. As in most other software tools, you can certainly resize your images. If you decide that you don't want to put them side by side, you can then consider possibly changing your layout to a 2-column layout and maybe dragging your images over here and then deleting the text box. Simply click it 4-way like that and hit the delete key. And what I'll probably want to do is, notice how I clicked on it and I clicked enter, and the return spaces appeared up at the top. I'm going to go ahead and drag this up here, and then I'm going to put a caption. And one of the other things that I need is I need to cite that. So I'm going to go ahead and open that image citation. I'm going to copy the link where I got it from. I'm going to go ahead back into my site and I'm going to paste it. It will automatically paste it as a link. And again, notice how, again, I put in a couple of returns and they appeared up at the top. So I'm going to have to slide this image up just a little bit. Let me go up one more. And I also need the citation for that image. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that, bring it back over, paste it. Now you don't see me clicking paste. I'm using the quick keys, the Control C and Control V for pasting. The other item that you need to include, of course, is you need to include that satellite image. So again, I'm going to have to go to uploading it, browse, and there it is. I'm going to click on it and then go ahead and upload it. Again, it put it at the top. If you want it at the top, you're certainly welcome to leave it at the top. I would like to put mine actually in the middle. There we go. And in order to label this, I need to, number one, I need to center that. And by the way, the control key, the quick key, if you do something and you're not quite sure that you wanted to do it, Control Z will undo what you've just done. Notice how when you click on an image, if you look below, you have some options. This is the link to the image where you have it. These are the alignment. I want to center it. This is the sizing, small, medium, large, or the original size. If for some reason you paste something and you don't want it anymore, you can simply click remove. Now, this particular image citation is going to be slightly different than the others. You're going to note satellite image taken from Google Earth. And I'm not certain that that is spelled correctly. There we go. Again, I did a Control Z there. It's looking like I'm having some difficulty with my spacing. If you do have difficulty with spacing, the best option is to simply save it and then go back in and re-edit your page. Not quite sure. I'll have to look at my HTML on that. If you have issues like this, you can certainly drop me an email and let me know you're having some trouble, and I can take a look at your HTML coding, which I've shown some of you. This probably doesn't mean a whole lot to you guys, so if you're having problems, come and send it to me and I'll take a look at it for you. Once you are finished with your page, the current editing phase of your page, what you'll want to do is click Save. And then you have, so far, some basic information. I certainly hope that you'll add a little bit more to your pages, but this would be the minimum that you would need to add to your page.